Dried apples or regular apple? Which one can make a better espresso? Let's find out. Okay, so first let's do the dried one. I think we can grind a little bit more. Did that change anything? Well, but it looks grinded enough. Now we do the apple. Okay, let's do the normal apple first. It's changing the color too quick, so I guess it's the safest idea. Well, our spready thing is going to happen, but the compressy thing, well, I have my doubts. So, well, let's see. There you go. Spready thing. Too much of apple. I'm really afraid of the compressy thing right now. Now the compressy thing. Oh my god. Well, it's compressed and messy. Okay, let me clean a little bit and let's proceed. Already licking some of the juice. So let's see if the entire regular apple espresso is going to work. So let's go then in 3, 2, 1. Let's espresso. Ooh, now that's pretty. Oh, yes, it's kind of messy, but it's coming out. It's coming something, but it's ruining every. Yes, I'll have to clean everything, but that's a decent espresso. Oh my! Let's just check how the puck has become before that, because yes, I'll have to use the same portafilter. That's how the puck is become. It looks like some baby foods. Let's try them. Very boring baby food, but maybe this is what babies eat. There are no more tasting in this mass of apple. This is basically fiber. I don't know. Not a very good puck. The regular apple sure did a mess. I hope that this one is a bit more under control. Let's do our spready thing. Looks the same. And now our compressy thing. Well, doesn't look so compressed. Not so different than before, but sure is compressed. So let's see if the entire dried apple espresso is going to work. Let's go then in 3, 2, 1. Let's espresso. This one is better. Is on the better. Oh no! Oh my god! No! It's okay. It's okay. All right. It's done. Good. But very well executed, by the way. Oh, okay. We have in here the dried apple one and the regular one. In terms of color, we can see that the dried one is darker than this one. This one is much closer to a yellow or orange, and this one is a brown one. There were some major splits all over the machine in here, but in general, I guess we can say that both did well. At least visually, they look like okay. In terms of crema, let's see. The normal apple did not create so much of a crema, and neither the dried apple. Let's go for the regular apple first. It looks like some apple juice, but it's not so sweet. I would like to be a bit more intense, but maybe it depends of the apple. It's a decent beverage. I must admit I would like a bit more of personality. Let's see the dried apple one right now. Saúde! Cacete! Oh my god! Okay, the dried apple espresso really shined. This one is very sweet. It's a win for this one completely, because this one I really feel that I am enjoying an apple beverage with the full properties of an apple. The regular apple maybe had too much water in it. It was not as dense of appleiness as the dried apple. The dried apple really proved the point. This whole process was to analyze if it's worthy to have an espresso based in dried stuff versus espresso made with normal stuff. In this case, the dried apple defeated the normal apple. If you ask me if it's possible to make an espresso entirely made of apple or dried apples, the answer is yes. But should you do it? Well, for the regular apple, I would say should not. But for the dried apple, yes, you should. It's so good, this one. Okay, now let's see the puck of the dried apple one. It's a decent puck. It become well hydrated, and this one is more appetizing. Let's see the taste of this one. The other one we already tested, so yeah, sure. Both look like baby food, but the regular apple puck has no personality, has nothing here anymore. This one is very good. The way it is, it's just good enough. The espresso and the puck, they are both perfect. So this dried apple espresso experience is a full success. Yes! Plus Ultra! Can I even call that an apple strudel? Not bad.